The 2030 Agenda, touted as a blueprint for Zimbabwe's prosperity, has been shrouded in controversy. Sanabna mashoko atona kuti vanhu voya vachiti aiwa this 2030 agenda aiwa zvangofanana zvazvo nokuya uchimwa aiwa from a poison chalice. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. TSHABANGU chiti behind the facade of development, the progress lies a more sinister reality. This article exposes the truth behind the 2030 Agenda, a proposed constitutional amendment designed to perpetuate the current presidency grip on power until 2030. President Mnangagwa's intentions are shrouded in mystery as he publicly denies clinging to power, while his loyalists secretly push for a term extension. A slogan is making the rounds at party gatherings, chanting 2030 from Mnangagwa Chiripo, insinuating that President Mnangagwa will still be in office by 2030. President Mnangagwa's repeated denials of seeking to extend his term beyond 2028, he failed to quell concerns about the true intentions. His actions suggest a calculated strategy to consolidate power, silence opposition, and maintain a facade of legitimacy. The president's strategy of bankrolling his allies has led to surge in corruption and cronyism in Zimbabwe. His approach has created a culture of patronage where loyalty is rewarded over merit, resulting in widespread poverty, inequality, and human rights abuses. The president's loyalists, including businessman ZVAITWA, are testing the waters for a potential term extension while maintaining plausible deniability. ZVAITWA's ties to the president raise concerns about the involvement in illicit deals and evasion of justice. Beneath its inciting facade, the 2030 Agenda conceals a sinister reality. This seemingly lucrative blueprint for prosperity is, in truth, a poisoned chalice. Those who are there to take a sip will inevitably succumb to toxic consequences, including betrayal, jealousy, deceit, corruption, cronyism, and a blatant disregard for accountability. Tomashukwana muda chitoko panapa unachita aiwa nawe this agenda kana chingwa tungopinda mu the push aiwa chitongona ne this mantra wotongoza kuti kumbiri uko aiwa ramakwana rakura topera zvakuti kama citizens achiti tojoina ere vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa nyika aiwa iri kujoina the ring of corruption ichienda kumawere. Tudza mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda section medu dza mafungiro enyu musana subscribe or like, on the bell.